In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Skype. Whether you're hosting a meeting, presenting a project, or just helping a friend out with some tech issues, knowing how to share your screen can make all the difference. And don't worry, it's simpler than you think. First things first, you'll need to head to the Skype website. Once you're there, look for the option that says Open Skype in Browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to sign in using your account details. Make sure you have your login information handy to streamline this step. Once you've successfully signed into your account, navigate your way to the Calls section. This step is pretty straightforward and sets the stage for the next part of the process. Now you're going to see an option labelled Meet Now. Click on this to move forward. Meet Now is a feature Skype has made incredibly user-friendly, allowing users to set up a meeting without the need for sending out invites in advance. After clicking Meet Now, your next step is to select Host a Meeting. Once you've clicked on this, go ahead and start your call. This is where the magic happens. You're now the proud host of a Skype meeting, ready to share not just your thoughts but your screen. Speaking of which, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, sharing your screen. Look for the button that says Share Screen. It should be fairly visible. Once you find it, click on it. You'll then be presented with options to choose exactly what you want to share. It could be a specific tab you have open, or an entire monitor, depending on what you need to show your audience. Select what best suits your needs for the meeting. This flexibility allows you to keep the rest of your screen private, while sharing only what's intended for your meeting participants. And there you have it. You're now sharing your screen on Skype, ready to collaborate, present, or assist. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you're new to this, you might want to try a test call with a friend or colleague to ensure everything runs smoothly when it's game time. Sharing your screen is a powerful feature that, when used correctly, can significantly enhance your communication and productivity on Skype. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Happy Skype sharing, everyone!